Construction site and debris accidents. Who do I sue? Well, it's a great question. It depends on the circumstances. Certainly construction and drivers to and in and out of construction sites cannot dump a load or have an unsecured load. There are federal and state standards and regulations regarding that. So if a truck driver is dropping chat, dropping wood, dropping different material, and that causes an accident, then we can track who that is and do that. We've done that in Texas, we've done that in Missouri, Illinois, different other states against various companies in serious car wrecks. In addition, though, sometimes the construction work, along with the negligence of another driver who runs into you, are comorbid, meaning that the construction company or somebody was negligent, but also another driver was, and then we would make a claim against both drivers. Note too that if you're an employee or a worker at that time, your remedy is limited to workers' compensation, meaning that you have to make a workers' compensation claim against your employer, and you cannot sue your employer in a civil case. However, if there was a third party there that caused that, for instance, if there's a crane operator that caused an injury to you, if there's something else going on, or we can identify a third party not connected with your employer that's liable, not only would you have a workers' compensation claim against them, but you would also have a civil claim. We have had numerous claims of loads, construction loads coming out of the back of trucks on highways. So if a driver has an unsecured load or a load that's not properly secured that comes out, hits your car, causes injury to you, you have a claim against that driver. Or if the stuff comes out, people are swerving and hit you, you still have a claim against him, because even though that piece did not directly hit you, because it was his negligence that caused the other people to react legitimately. We've had a claim against that. One of my, Chris, there's a video on our successes on our page, a guy named Chris that happened to. We've been in the paper and stuff for some other large recoveries for construction debris or something coming out of that. Sometimes construction areas are not well flagged or not warned. So we've also had claims, either walking, pedestrian, or car accident, where someone encounters an unsafe condition at or near a construction site and causes them injury. We've had those claims, been successful in those claims as well. You sue the construction company, make a claim against the construction company. We can find them, or the driver of the construction truck, or the person who dropped the load, or the third-party vendor who was delivering. We identify and find all that stuff. We use OSHA comes in and investigates these. Sometimes the person might violate OSHA, other state or federal regulations. We look for those violations because those are called per se negligence violations. It helps the negligence case. If you have any questions about this or want to get into the weeds or the details on such a claim, please give us a call. Thank you.